Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain the basics of how to make a piece of pottery, just a really basic description as I throw a piece. If you've found my channel or been watching a couple of my videos, I figure some of you may have never seen this before or may have never had explained how a piece is made. So I'm just going to throw a really simple piece, a coffee mug, and kind of explain how a piece is made as I do it. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is to throw that clay ball on the wheel, which is where the term of throwing pottery comes from. Add some water to the clay and start centering the clay ball on the wheel. I have to force that clay ball into the center of the wheel as the first step, and the first and hardest step when you start throwing pottery to learn to do. You'll see once that clay ball is centered, I can take my hands away and you'll see that it's running evenly all the way around. I'm going to add a little bit of water, push my fingers down in the center of the clay ball, stop just short of going all the way to the vat that I'm throwing this on, so I leave a bottom in the cup that I'm making. Use my thumb to pull out from the center to make the bottom of the cup, the inside bottom. I like to put a little bit of swirl in the bottom of my cup, so I do that now. Start to pinch that clay together with both my hands and start pulling it up. Clean a little bit of the excess clay off around the bottom. I'm going to put my left hand on the inside, my right hand on the outside, and pinch together and pull up between my two fingers. You'll see that roll of clay there coming up. Mainly use the middle fingers on each hand and kind of pinch together and pull up, just pulling the clay that's in the bottom of that cup up and out. Now I'm going to use this wooden rib in my right hand to kind of work on the shape. So I'm going to kind of push in at the bottom with this and then push out with my hand on the inside against the rib. Start forming the shape of the cup that I want. Leave a little bit of roll of clay at the bottom, and I like to leave a little bit thicker rim on top when I'm making coffee mugs, so it's comfortable to drink out of. Once I'm done with the basic shape, I'll put my sponge back down in the bottom to clean out the excess water. Clean off the rim and the outside of the pot as well, get the excess water off. Style of mug that I've been experimenting with lately, I like to take a basic shape like this, add a little bit of water back to the outside, and then give a little extra swirl to it. Just kind of a little extra design. Give it a neat way for the glazes to flow and follow those curves down the piece. So once that's done, I can take either pick the cup up, or I can pick the bat up off the wheel, and then I can move this to the side and wait till it dries a little bit, put a handle on it, and then decorate it and fire it. We're ready to go. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it.